Folks, here we are at Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods with Steve Stack. One of my favorite places already. How about that? Welcome back. Thank you so much, man. I tell you, I love this place. There's so much we can't talk about in one segment, so we're going to talk about one little segment right here. Based on that cabinet over there that a lot of people might want to put in their home this time of year because the kids come through the back door, need a place to put something.
They're going to be carrying them backpacks, come home off the bus,
Muddy shoes. Now we got a place we can put it.
Right.
How hard is it to do?
This is DIY 102, maybe approaching 103, but if you have the basic hand tools, this is a very woodworker-friendly project.
Beauty of doing this kind of woodwork is if you need it narrower, you make it narrower.
We have a couple different project plans, and all of our project plans are adaptable.
How long would it take to build what we see in the 9-foot cubby?
In the cubby, I have about a day involved with that.
Mm-hmm.
So if it takes you a Saturday and a Sunday, it's a great weekend project.
Go to the website, check it out. You can do a project like this easily, and the most beautiful wood in the world.
Yeah, more to come.
Great stuff.